Right, it's week 52 of 2025, and I had a goal this year of just doing one video a week, whether it were a long form or a short form. So, loads has changed since last time you've seen it. I've had a massive move around at barn. I've bought loads of parts. I've lost teeth, cut my hair, lost weight, done everything I can this year. We'll try and make something cool out of it. Someone said I needed to get a capable mechanic friend, so today's goal is to get this all prepped for this to fit, which could be good, could be bad. Ignore my rubbish pile. Do stuff then. Do it.
Do stuff.
Do it. Go on, do it. It's like a Diddy party here, mate. You get recorded everywhere you go. So the problem we're working in fucking freedoms per mile out of bullshit. So these are famous for having the world's shonkiest suspension. It's 2 massive I-beams. It's pretty good if you've got a bar truck, but that's about it. But we're going to swap it over so it's running on a full subframe with bags and all that stuff. Because bags are for more than shopping in our house. We've been battling with every stuck nut and bolt, and it were only out way here that I was saying to Eden about. Every single nut and bolt's come undone on this car straight away. No
He's
problem.
a fucking liar.
Not this one. So anyway, we've just got a few little bits to undo on bottom. We can pull out all old suspension. The problem is, it's fucking rubbish everywhere.
Yeah.
I promise I will clean it up soon. I've been saying that for like a year now, mate. Actually, it turns out I'm just a fucking liar. Right.
You got an hammer on your side?
Both are on my
Just
side.
need one hammer then. I've done it.
Oh.
I stepped it. Just need one hammer on my side then.
More wrapped up and shit.
Wrapped up in shit.
My personal favourite little stubby hammer. Oh, other way, innit?
Oh, is it opposite on your side?
Yeah, it's opposite on my side.
Where's the doobry? One.
I'm trying to stay away from it so it doesn't fall on me.
Yeah, sorry, I've got
Same
it.
time.
You've got something a bit more stubby.
My side. Oh, your side is out, it's my side. 1 second, let me prove it now. Tension on.
Yeah, it's your side.
I've already knocked your side out, they're opposites.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't want to go under it to knock that pin out.
Yeah, I know.
Especially when this is the jack that we've got on this side of the car.
I know, yeah.
Oh, come on, I'm straightening it up. Go on, keep going.
It moved, doesn't it?
Yeah, loads. Yeah, let me try and tap her at the same time. I can't get a full swing on it, that's a problem.
Got it.
Right. In theory now, the arms are not connected to the body, springs are not connected to the body, shocks are not connected to the body. All that's connected to the body is the fucking the bottom arms, and they just need knocking forward.
Yeah.
Which I think a big lumpy.
Yeah.
I might be able to.
Just drop this down. Rough bastard.
Fucking rough, mate. That side's
Not all the side.
virtually out. I think this is like not my good side to swing. So, and I've got an exhaust to contend with.
That's that.
They are.
Really? This one.
Oh, fucking hell.
Yeah, we're out.
Oh, feel me foot.
Watch your fingers.
That's some quality jack pack in that.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, I've got spider eggs under here.
Right, put the jacket up again and knock that head out.
How's it?
So it's like yanking towards us.
That side's the side with the exhaust, so it's swat to get to. Grab this out.
Oh my god.
Let's move some shite.
A minute now. Straight up.
So we managed to get it out in an hour and 20 minutes from every stuck bolt under the sun to nothing. And now we can at least try Jag front clip under it and see where it, well, see if it even fits. Maybe.
Cut some bits out.
That's what it looks like without all them awful I-beams and everything in place. It's a really solid truck, to be fair. I've only welded up one side at floor pans on it so far, and I changed that cab mount as well. That's all done on this side. I've still got to do it on the other side, but yeah, I've got to start hacking all the shock tower off, maybe take bottom half at the engine mount off and all that stuff. Well, a cross member, engine mount, whatever you want to call it, and then we can offer everything up. I'm sure it goes without saying that this probably wouldn't be happening if it weren't for Eden helping me out today. So, cheers, mate. Yeah, we needed to try a wheel on it just so I could see the image. I needed it. So that's stock height. I'm going to do proper measurement in a bit to work out what full drop will be. But that's where it's going to be sat in theory. And for anyone that thinks that slam cars are stupid, fuck off. You're on wrong channel. Go away. Go somewhere else. I'm sure there's an anorak somewhere to toss you off in a bush, you fucking dog snogger. Slam cars look way better. This is opposite side there is already done. So we've just got to get them matching. And then find centre, which I think that little dot in the middle there is the middle of the chassis leg on both sides. And then we'll get that thing slapped in it.
I need that Jimmy. Enough of point banging it through again.
You mean that drift? Yeah, you need a drift. I think we're going to call it at that. I severely overestimated what we could get done in an handful of hours. Subframe fits, just about, but we've had to strip it down so we can actually get anywhere near, like, you know, sitting it inside chassis legs. So, yeah, that's it for now. It's all prepped and ready. Loads of welding next time. And, yeah, I think that's about it. Just make sure you fan code Eden. Eden's got YouTube as well. Is Garage 5'8"? Yeah. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Don't like, subscribe and all that stuff. This is my 50-second video. I'm quite proud that I've stuck to it for a year. I don't really stick to much for more than a month, so appreciate it. Thanks to everyone who's been here since starting that. Have a good new year, and I guess I'll see you next year.